Hi. Hi, Pete. Are you okay, Pete? Hi, Pete. You okay now? Hi. What happened to you, Pete? What happened to you? You okay? Hi. Hello. Hi, Pete. Hi, Pete. You want to come here? You want to drink water? Are you hungry? You want to eat seeds? Yes? Come here. Where's your mommy? Come here. Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy? You want to go to your mommy? Are you hurt or what? You okay now? Hmm? You want to stay here for the night? You okay? You want to drink? You can borrow my jacket. Baby, you can borrow my jacket, okay? Borrow my jacket. Want to see the baby pig? Hila? Would you like to see the baby pig? Let's study. Let's study. Look, baby. There's a baby pig. Say hi to the baby pig. Say hi. Hi, baby pig. Let's look at the baby pig. No, let's go to baby pig. No, come here. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, baby. Hi. Come here. Why are you scared with the baby pig? Here, oh. That's a baby pig. Be scared. Oh, don't be scared with the baby pig. Hi, baby pig. Hello.
Okay?
It's okay. It's okay. The baby is crying. He's looking for his mommy.
Huh?
He's looking for his mommy. You scared? Are you scared?
Huh?
Don't be scared. Hmm?
Huh?
He's just a baby. You don't be scared.
Hi.
There's Ila, babe. Fly, fly, fly. Fly, come here, fly. I love you. Ila,
You okay?
do you love mommy? Try to get you out. Okay? Yeah, you're fine now. Okay, yeah. Okay, you're fine now. Let's get you out. You okay? You can fly now. You can fly. Still, you can't fly. Come and fly. Fly now. Bye. Oh, you're still here. Are you alright? gonna get you.